Hello guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Timberland Heights. Dito sa may San Mateo, Residential, Leisure and Development located in San Mateo, Rizal, Philippines. Let's go!
Knowledge TV.
Nandito tayo ngayon para makita ang ganda ng Timberland at napaka cool ng climate due to its high elevation, mataas kasi. Timberland Heights open variety residential option including house and lot packages, residential lots and condominium units. Ang dami dito. Featured amenities, maroon ditong hiking trails, bike, picnic area, swimming pools and clubhouse. Kaya nandito ngayon para magpalamig, di ba? Dito lamang yan sa San Mateo sa may Timberlands at parelax at tumitingin ng mga nagbabike. So we can live, work and play. Overall, Timberland Heights in San Mateo, Rizal, peaceful and napakagandang environment para sa families looking to escape sa magulong syudad. Dito lamang yan sa Timberland. And thank you so much. Ito ang lingkod, Yolax Kalaman.